Hello, boys and girls. We are going to start our place value unit, and we are going to take some notes in our math notebook. So please take out your math notebook. At the top, I would like you to write place value. That's our new unit. And please write the date, which is 8/31/2020 at the top of your notebook. Now we're going to talk about different types of numbers and ways to express them. The first one I want to talk to you about is called standard form. You are very used to standard form. It is how we see and read numbers most often. 3,524, written in standard form. Now I want to talk to you about expanded form. And if you need to pause my video so you can catch up on notes, please do that. Standard form. So for expanded form, we are going to look at our standard number starting at the largest place value, which is 3 in the thousands place. And I'm going to write 3,000. If you have 3 in the thousands place, you have a value of 3,000. If you have a 5 in the hundreds place, you have 500. If you have a 2 in the tens place, you have 2 tens, which is 20. And if you have 4 ones, you simply have 4 ones. That's my number, 3,524, written in expanded form. Next, I want to talk about word form, using our language, our words, to express a number. So when we say the number 3,524, we're going to write it as we say it, out loud. 3,524. 20, I don't have enough room there, so I'm going to write it down here. 3,524. Notice for word form, I am not writing the word and. The word and indicates that there's a decimal in your whole number, and for now on place value, we're going to be dealing with whole numbers. So we don't use the word and. There's another form, and it could be a picture form or a model picture form. And pictures are just ways we can illustrate a number. So if I'm illustrating the number 3,524, maybe I'm going to use discs. I have 3,000 in discs. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 equals 3,000. I have 500s. Discs. I have 2 tens, 10 and 10. And then I have a 1, a 1, a 1, and a 1. This total picture equals 3,524. Now that we have our notes written down, I'm going to draw a line here, and we're going to practice. So we're going to practice with the number 24,618. Write that number. You've already written the number in standard form. Now we're going to practice in expanded form. So to write this number in expanded form, remember our example where we talked about using place value. So I'm going to show you my place value chart. I've gone ahead and written my number 24,618. So within this number, if I have a 2 in the 10,000s place, that would equal 20,000. So I'm going to move my place value chart aside. This is 20,000 plus my 4 in the thousands place. If I have 4 in the thousands place, I actually have 4,000. If I have a 6 in my hundreds place, you know that to be 600. And if I have a 1, just a little 1 in my tens place, I actually have a 10 plus a 10. And then we have 8 in the ones place. So I have 8 ones. So place value charts can be really helpful to help you break apart these larger numbers and write them in expanded form. The next one I want us to practice with would be word form. So when we say this number out loud, we'll say 24,000, 24,000. I'm putting a comma here just as I would in my number. 618. Notice there's no and again because we're not dealing in decimals, we're dealing in whole numbers. And my last one, I can do a picture or a model to show off that I know the value of this number. So if we're dealing with 2 in the 10,000s place, my first discs I'm going to start with are going to be 10,000 each because we have 2 10,000s. I have 4 thousands, 2, 3, 4, 600s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a 10, and then I have 8 ones. So I have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, a 10 plus 8 ones is 18. So there is my number written in all 3 different ways that we're going to be practicing, okay? Keep practicing, keep writing those numbers, and keep using that place value chart to help you make new numbers and help you organize your numbers, okay? Thank you for watching.